In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a shift's time and how to inactivate that shift. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. From the drop-down menu, choose Absent/On. You should arrive at a chart that looks like this. Before making any changes, make sure you are looking at the correct date. To edit a shift, click on that shift's start or end time in the center column. I'll choose this one. From this menu, I can edit the shift itself. I could change the date of the shift. I could change the start and end time. Maybe I need this employee to be here an hour later, so I can click this clock icon, scroll down, and choose 8:30. I could also enter or adjust the break. I could change the station. I could choose a shift group. And I could leave a note. I could also decide just to delete this shift altogether. In this case, I cannot hit delete because this employee has already clocked on. If I had chosen a shift where no one had clocked on yet, then I could delete it. If you changed your mind and you don't want to save these changes, click Close. If you're done making changes, hit Save. There's one more way I can edit a shift from this menu. I can choose to inactivate the shift if for some reason we closed early or something. So if I click Inactivate, the shift will be inactivated, but I have to choose a reason. If I click this arrow, I can choose to inactivate this shift because we closed early, because there was inclement weather, we opened late, or it was slow. Maybe this is a really slow day, so I sent this employee home. I can choose slow. Then if you don't want to inactivate this shift, hit Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Submit. And now that shift has gone away. Any time that employee worked will still appear on their time sheet. That's how you can edit and inactivate time shifts in Teamwork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to reassign a shift, split a shift, and view a shift's history.